back to my YouTube channel, that is Maths with Shivangi Nagar. In this video session, we will discuss the question number 7 of the 9.1 exercise. So let's get started with the question. What the question says, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation from the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at a point at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Here we are given a point. Okay, so let's say the point is this P. Okay, and from this point P we are given the two angle of elevations. हमें दो angle of elevations given है. ठीक है, कौन कौन से given है? First it is given what? This bottom of the tower. See, ये एक building है आपका. If you mark this point as let's say A, so this AB is what? This entire AB is your building, and building के ऊपर एक tower लगा हुआ है. This AC, this is your tower. Clear? So from this point P we are given the angle of elevation. Let's suppose you are standing at the point P. ठीक है, और आप ऐसे ऊपर देख रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो आप एक बार देख रहे हैं उस स्टार के बिल्कुल फुट वाले पार्ट को, बिल्कुल बॉटम वाले पार्ट को, एंड तब भी वो आपके लिए क्या है? वो आपकी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन से ऊपर ही बनेगी, आपकी लाइन ऑफ साइट. ओके, सो इन दैट केस we have angle of elevation of how much? We have the angle of elevation of the 45 degree. Similarly, फुट को देखने के बाद, बॉटम पार्ट को देखने के बाद आप उसी टार के टॉप को देख रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो अगेन from the horizontal line, the line of sight is what? Again above the horizontal line. So in that case, when you are seeing the top of the tower, in that case your angle of elevation is 60 degree. Clear? So what we have to find out? We have to find out the height of this tower. That means we have to calculate this height. That means AC distance we have to calculate. Now how to proceed? How to calculate? हम क्या करने वाले हैं इस क्वेश्चन में? So first of all, if you imagine two right angle triangle are being imagined here. What are these two right angle triangle? So first right angle triangle, if you see here, this is this A B T, this. Okay, where you have this height of the building, the distance of this point from the foot of the building. Okay, and this AP is what? AC is the hypotenuse. So from this, here we are given this angle of elevation. What is that? The top of the building and the bottom of the tower. They both are at the same point, that is at the A point. So here in this triangle, you can clearly see that you have an angle of 45 degree. And what is given to you? You are given this AB distance, that is how much? 20 meter. And what you have to calculate? First calculate this PB distance. Okay, so after calculating this PB distance, when you consider this bigger right angle triangle, which is C, P and B, so here in that case, you know this angle of elevation which is of 45 degree. PB you just have find out in this previous situation. Let's say X meter is that, and you have, once you calculate this entire CB, right? So when you eliminate the AB from this CB, what you will get? Definitely you will get the CA, and CA is what? CA is the height of this tower, right? So in this direction we will move. So first we will consider the triangle APB, and from there first we will calculate the distance between that point and the foot of that building, right? So the same thing I have written over here, the angle of elevation from the point P to the bottom of the tower A is angle APB, which is of 45 degree. Similarly, the angle of elevation of from the same point to the top of the tower C is what? Angle CPB is 60 degree. And what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the AC according to this figure, right? And AC is what? The height of the tower. Since building is vertical, obviously the building is what? Vertical, we have to take it a vertical building. So therefore the angle APB must be what? 90 degree. So now let's consider this triangle. Wait, let's change the color. Yes. So first we will consider that small triangle. What triangle? Triangle APB, which is right angle at B. Right angle at B. So what was that triangle? So this is your point P, this is your point B, which is at right angle, and this is your point A. We are given that AB is 20 meter and we are given that APB is what? 45 degree. Now see, to calculate this PB. So AB is the opposite side of angle 45 and PB is the adjacent side of the angle 45. So opposite and what adjacent side relation bears which trigonometric ratio? Tan ratio. So what we are applying here? We are applying here tan P, and tan P is what? Opposite side of angle P upon adjacent side of angle P. What is the angle P? Angle P is what? 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is equal to opposite side of angle P is AB and adjacent side of angle P is PB. Now what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 value is 1. AB is 20 meter and PB is as it is, because PB we need to calculate. So if you cross multiply it, what we will be getting here? We will be getting here PB is equals to 20 meter. Now this is ready. Now we will consider that bigger triangle. What was the bigger triangle? It was CPB. Here somewhere we have the point A. So now in that case PB we have 20 meter, angle of elevation is 60 degree. And here we will calculate this entire distance, that is BC. After calculating the entire distance, we will eliminate this AB from it and we will get this AC distance. So in triangle CPB, if we apply tan 60 degree here, so what is the opposite angle of 60 degree? So it is BC. And what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is PB. Now what is the tan 60 value? Tan 60 value is root over 3. BC value we need to calculate, and PB just we have calculated, it is what? 20. So we cross multiply and multiply this 20 with the root over 3. What we will get? We will get BC is equals to 20 root over 3 meter. Now BC is ready. AB we already know. So what we have to compute here? We have to compute the AC. So AC is what? AC is nothing but AC, or you can write the CA also, which is what? It is BC minus AB. What is the value of BC? BC is what? 20 root over 3, and value of AB is how much? 20. Now take the 20 common outside. So what we will get here? Root 3 minus 1. Okay. So this is the answer. This is the value of AC. Now you can put the value of root 3 also up to 2 decimals here. Okay, so up to 2 decimal, what is the value of the root over 3? So root over 3 is 1.73. So you can place this value here. So 20 multiplied by 1.73 minus 1. So 1.73 minus 1 is what? 0.73. And just multiply these two quantities. So remove this decimal. Place the 100 over here. This 20 cancels 100 5 times. So what we are getting here? We are getting here AC is equals to 73 upon 5. And when you divide it, 73 divided by 5, what you will be getting here? So 5 1 times 5, 5 4 times 20, and 5 6 times 30. So you will be getting here 14.6. So what is your height? AC is what? Height of the tower. So height of the tower AC is what? 14.6 meter. So this is what all about in this video. If you got the solution, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, do share with your friends, and if you new to my channel and if you have not subscribed it, then please do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my video. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you in my next video with the next question solution.